Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best APC Pro 1000 is probably one of the most essential components for safeguarding your valuable electronics against unexpected power outages. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of replacement batteries for your APC Pro 1000, exploring everything from choosing the right battery to the installation process, ensuring your devices stay protected and your peace of mind remains intact. Number 5. APC RBC123 Replacement Battery Cartridge. Are you looking for a replacement battery for your APC UPS? This is a genuine APC replacement battery cartridge. It is designed to restore the performance of your APC UPS. This APC RBC123 is compatible with multiple APC UPS models. These include BR1000G, BX1350M, and many others. Check the full list to ensure it fits your needs. Using a genuine APC replacement battery ensures optimal performance. It also provides warranty support for your APC UPS. This ensures the best experience. When you purchase this new battery, you can recycle your old one. The APC website provides details on the RBC recycling program. This program includes free return to a recycling center. This genuine APC battery comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. This warranty protects your investment. It provides peace of mind. What we like. This is a genuine APC replacement battery. It's tested and certified for compatibility. If you value the best performance and warranty support for your APC UPS, this is the one. Plus, you can recycle your old battery for free, making it a responsible choice. What people say. Worked great, slid right into the UPS with little effort. Took a fall charge and worked great protecting my computer. Easy replacement, battery worked no problem. Just remember to change the install date on the unit. This is a plug-and-play item and a simple way to extend the life of your unit. It's a simple install, and I recommend. Number 4. APC UPS Pro BR1000G UPS Battery Backup. This is the APC UPS Pro BR1000G. It's a battery backup and surge protector. It ensures your devices stay powered during outages. This UPS provides 1000 VA 600W of power. It's designed to keep your electronics running when the power fails, giving you time to save your work. It features 8 total outlets. 4 of these provide both battery backup and surge protection, while the other 4 offer surge protection only. The AVR maintains safe voltage levels. This feature helps to protect your equipment without using the battery during minor power fluctuations. When the power goes out, this APC battery backup provides guaranteed power. It's perfect for computers, external hard drives, and even your wireless router. It maximizes battery performance. This intelligent system extends the battery's life and ensures reliable operation through precision charging. The input voltage range for main operations is 88-148 V. This ensures the device can handle a wide range of power conditions. What we like. This UPS provides reliable power backup. It features automatic voltage regulation. If you are looking for a comprehensive power solution to protect your electronics, including your router, so you can maintain a network connection, this is a great choice. What people say. The UPS tells me it provides about 25 to 30 minutes runtime for this load, which very well meets my goals. Upon connecting the USB cable, the OS recognizes the UPS model and presents options relevant to UPS operation in the Energy Saver Preference pane, under Lion, and I believe since Leopard. Sleep times and screen dimming can be customized specifically for the scenario of running under UPS power. A shutdown can be initiated based on one or more of 3 criteria: time having run on UPS, time remaining on UPS, or percentage charge remaining on the UPS. Once I installed the battery correctly, I plugged in my PC tower and my double monitors. After some consideration, I plugged in my TV and PS4 as well because I had extra plugs. And I did use multiple extension cords to fit everything. When my first power outage happened, I didn't even notice it happening. My computer didn't flicker or react in any way. I was pleasantly surprised at how smooth the transition was from power to battery. Unfortunately, with my computer on, the display said it only had 10 minutes of power left even at full battery. Which is fine for what I needed. All I wanted was the chance to properly shut down my computer on my own terms in the event of a blackout. Once my computer was off, the display changed to around 100 minutes of power, and when I turned the TV on it changed to 60 minutes. The runtime isn't very long, but the UPS was satisfactory for me in providing continuous power to protect my computer. Number 3. APC RBC123 Replacement Battery for APC UPS. This is the APC RBC123 Replacement Battery. It's designed to keep your APC UPS systems running smoothly. It provides a reliable power backup solution. The battery features a sealed lead-acid design. This means it's maintenance-free and easy to install. You can set it up quickly without any hassle. The package includes all necessary connectors, cables, and fuses. It also comes with a metal enclosure. Everything you need for a quick installation is included. This battery is compatible with various APC UPS models. These include BN1080G, BR1000G, and BX1300G. It's a versatile solution for your power needs. The battery is hot swappable and easy to install. You can replace it without shutting down your system. It's designed for convenience and ease of use. The product comes with an 18-month warranty. This provides peace of mind, knowing that you're covered. It ensures the battery's quality and reliability. What we like. This replacement battery is designed for easy installation. It comes with all necessary components. If you want a hassle-free replacement with an 18-month warranty, this is the one for you. What people say. It was easy to install and came fully charged. The software that monitors the battery recognized it as a good charged battery and it is fully compatible, no alarms, messages, or warnings. It was a perfect fit and was fully charged when I got it. Number 2. APC BR1000G UPSBatteryCenter Replacement Battery. Are you looking for a reliable replacement battery? This is a compatible replacement battery pack for your APC BAC UPS Pro 1120V. It ensures your device stays protected. This battery pack is designed specifically for the BR1000G model. It's a perfect fit, ensuring seamless integration and optimal performance for your UPS. The product is in stock and ready to ship. You can get it quickly, so you won't have to wait long to restore your power backup. It comes with a 1-year warranty. This provides peace of mind, knowing that the product is backed by a guarantee of quality and performance. The battery pack arrives assembled and ready to use. You can replace it without any downtime, keeping your devices protected at all times. What we like. This battery pack is a direct replacement. It's ready to ship immediately. If you need a quick and easy replacement with no downtime, then it is the perfect solution. What people say. Quick delivery. It saved my UPS and saved me some money in the process and seems to work well so far. Arrived ahead of schedule and fit perfectly. Number 1. UPSBatteryCenter APC BAC UPS XS1000 VA BX1000G Replacement. This is a compatible replacement battery from UPSBatteryCenter. It is designed to keep your devices running during power outages. You can rely on it to protect your valuable electronics. This replacement is specifically designed for the APC BAC UPS XS1000 VA BX1000G model. It fits perfectly and functions just like the original. It ensures a smooth transition and easy installation. The battery provides consistent and reliable power. It is built with high-quality materials to ensure long-lasting performance. It will keep your equipment safe and operational. Installing this battery is straightforward and hassle-free. You can quickly replace your old battery and restore your UPS functionality. It is a simple process that anyone can do. With this replacement battery, you can have peace of mind knowing your devices are protected. It offers a dependable power backup solution. It is a smart investment for your home or office. What we like. This is a compatible replacement for your APC BAC UPS XS. It's designed for easy installation. If you need a reliable and easy-to-install replacement battery for your APC BAC UPS XS, then this is the one for you. What people say. Just as requested, easy install and back in operation. So far so good, this battery has been functioning the same as the original APC battery. I haven't noticed any difference. Easy to install. Maintains charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.